Hi guys, hope you're well. In this video I want to give you a really quick 5-minute video and tell you everything or the only things that you need to make money with Clickbank. So this will help you if you're looking to sell affiliate products from Clickbank or even your own products. I'm going to walk you through the only things that you need to start with so you can start making some money and exactly how it works, and I'm going to do it in 5 minutes or less. If you want help with this, so everything that we're discussing in this video, do check out the link below. You'll find it in the description on YouTube. Project Emergency Cash. It's something that I've set up, a course I've set up that will show you exactly how to do the parts that I'm talking about. So I'll show you how to pick a niche from Clickbank that will convert, and how to set it all up, and how to write the emails, and how to set up automation, and exactly how to speak to the people and what they're after that will make you sales. So do check that out because it hasn't got long left on the clock, because what I'm doing for full transparency is upping the price and I'm going to sell this course through Facebook ads. It won't be ridiculously expensive when I sell it through Facebook ads. It will be $99, but right now you can get in for far less than that if you want to try it out. It comes with a full guarantee. Do check it out and check out the video here if you're interested in this stuff. What I wanted to do in this video, if you're new to Clickbank, I just want to go through the only things you need, because it can become a bit overwhelming with all the stuff and the different systems and all the different ways you can do it and which is the right way and which is the wrong way, and I want to guide you through that. So let's get started. I'll just go on the Clickbank marketplace, the affiliate marketplace. So I'm assuming that you know you can promote any product from the affiliate marketplace and you'll get a commission. So if we pick health and fitness, for instance, you'll see all of the products and you can get your link. All you need is a free Clickbank account and you get your link, and then you use that link to promote the product. Okay, so first thing is you need to know how to pick a product. Here's the best way without spending ages and ages on it. I'll do more videos on this specific area, but the best way is this: to remember that you're not looking for a product that is going to sell. Okay, so when you're looking through the Clickbank marketplace, you're not particularly going popularity or even gravity, okay, because it doesn't mean anything in terms of you actually making sales. What you're looking for is a product that solves a massive problem really well, okay, because people are buying solutions, especially information product. It's a solution. If I go down the store and I have a flat tire on my car and I buy a tire pump, it's a solution. It will pump the tire up. So the best thing to do when you're looking for a niche to go into, an area to go into, is ask yourself these questions. Number one, does the product actually solve the problem? Before you promote it, does it solve the problem? How is that product introduced? What's the sales page like? You need to know a few things. I'll do some more videos on this because we could go right into copywriting and how to look whether it's actually going to sell. But the first thing is, just to give you a quick intro into it, you need to look at what problem is it solving? Is there a market for that problem? And you need to make sure that you're targeting the people that need that problem solved today. Okay, so the more like you don't just want to send it to anyone, you want to solve that problem today. Again, using that example, if I have a flat tire and I sell tire pumps to people, like car tire pumps, tire inflators, the only people that I want are people with flat tires, okay, or people that want it because they're scared of getting flat tires. So I know that's ridiculously simple, but it should give you an insight into when you're picking a product. Don't just look at the figures, look at the problems that you can actually help with, okay? And then the second thing is this: instead of just blasting that out around the web or setting up a Facebook ad or Google ad or Bing ad and just hoping for the best, so setting up an ad and just sending people through to the page and saying this is the best thing since sliced bread, buy this product, that's where a lot of people fall down. You're not going to get very high conversions. You'll probably get like 1%. And on most advertising platforms, if you're doing it paid, you're going to need that much traffic that it's not going to make you any money. You'll probably spend more money on the ads than you actually get back in sales. So the key thing here, the best thing I can tell you, is you need to know how to add value before you even ask for a sale. And value is chucked about as a sort of magic word, but all I mean by that is you have to prove that you can help people before you actually ask for money. Okay, and the best way to prove that you can help them is by offering them some help. It doesn't have to give everything away, but you need to demonstrate that you can actually help them. So to give you an example on that, if you had a workout program that you were trying to sell, maybe you're going to give them some workouts or simple diet plans, or maybe you're going to give them something specific, some information that they can use today to illustrate how the main product would work for them. And the best way to illustrate that is by giving them some success. Okay, I'll give you an example, just really easy. Let's say you had a course on Google AdWords or advertising, okay? And you gave away, use these headlines in your ads and notice your conversion rates go up. Well, very simply, it would have to be good stuff, but if you did that and you were giving away the headlines and how to write the copy for free, and then you had a Google Ads course, people are far more likely to buy it if they're receiving messages from you like that, because you're actually proving that you can help. Because psychologically, very simple, they're like thinking, well, that's worked, it's improved my conversion rates, I'm going to get the full product. Okay, so that's the main thing. Instead of just jumping on the bandwagon and thinking Clickbank's the answer to millions, it's just an affiliate marketplace. This works for your own products, it works for Clickbank, but bear in mind that Clickbank doesn't do anything special for you in terms of conversions. It's just a marketplace with all the products on. There's no magic because it's Clickbank. You have to know how to add that value. Okay, and to do that, this is the best way I recommend. You need something like lead pages, ClickFunnels, some easy landing page creator, especially when you're getting started. You want to have a simple creator that you can use. It is paid, but I'll be honest with you, this is my way of looking at it. If we look at the pricing here, for $25 a month, let's go to monthly, $37 a month, you're talking about one sale from Clickbank to pay that back, to warrant getting this. So really, in the cost of things, I'm not saying go out and spend loads of money, but if you're worried about $37 a month, I would look at that a bit differently, and I'd say, well, if you're getting one sale a month, you're paying for your lead pages account, and it's well worth. It's probably one of the best products that I've ever purchased, lead pages, because it does all your pages. So it's very, very simple. What you don't want to get hung up on is having all the technical stuff holding you back. How do I use this? How do I use that? How do I get that set up? Because you'll never get anything out there. So something easy. It doesn't have to be lead pages, but you want something easy that you can set up landing pages quickly, squeeze pages. And the way I recommend doing it, remember when I was speaking about value, setting up a simple squeeze page of what you're going to offer. I'll just show you. So you've got all the templates here, and you can go down here and you can see all the different things. So categories, all the different things here. Okay, and these are all the templates that you can just hook up an autoresponder to, or an email system, and you can just edit these with a click of a button, drag and drop. Okay, it doesn't have to be fancy. What you have to focus on is the value that you're offering, how much you're helping them. You have to know who you're speaking to, what problem they have, and you have to know specifically how you're going to help them and how the product helps them. And that will save you loads of time on trying to be the best copywriter or spending ages on it. You need to get something up and out there that is a resource to collect emails while offering something really, really great for free, some value. You could offer the value through a report. You could offer the value through a single video. It doesn't have to be a drawn out email course. My recommendations for you are like a 5-day email course. I've found that works really, really well because you're getting that contact. If you just give a video or if you just give a report, you don't know whether they're going to read it, you don't know whether they're going to watch the video, and you don't know whether that's the case in a 5-day course, but you've got that 5 times contact. Okay, the sale isn't normally made on the first visit. So you need a landing page thing. ClickFunnels, lead pages, there's plenty of them out there. The next thing you need is an email autoresponder, a good one. Okay, I recommend Aweber or I recommend Drip. I've used both, and that's pretty much all I've used. There's so many out there. There's some really, really good ones, but you just need something that will actually work. I like Drip because it actually gives you automation. So as you get more fancy, as you start to make sales and you want to improve your communication, you can do different things. You can actually just email people if they've watched a certain amount of your video, or just email people if they've opened a certain email from you, so you're not harassing people, and so you're not, and again, $49 a month, it's not cheap, but it's well worth its money. You're talking about the two products I've shown you here are 2 sales, and you're talking about paying for both of them. And again, it's mindset. I'll do another video on mindset. You should be pushing to make, like, if you're not confident of making 1 sale in a month, you shouldn't be doing it, because it will just stress you out. And it's just, I'll do another video on that. But so we've looked at the products, we've looked at the landing pages, we've looked at the email, and then you need to know how to set up the funnel, which is keeping it really, really easy. Once you've set the funnel up, you need to know how to get traffic. The way I recommend doing that is do it for free to get some sales. It is more work, but I recommend doing it for free and getting sales in, especially if you're starting out, and then reinvesting some of that money back into Facebook ads and advertising without eating into your money. Okay? It's like if you invest 10-20% of your affiliate earnings back into paid advertising, one, you already know it works because you'll be getting sales, so you can start advertising that rather than just going straight into a pay-per-click and spending loads of money on it without a proper funnel set up, and then not getting any results. So if you want to learn how to do that nice and simply, like step by step, come and join us in Project Emergency Cash. There's not a lot of time left on the clock. What I'm going to be doing today is actually adding loads of stuff on the back end. It shows you how to do all of this. You can watch the video, but I'm actually adding today some stuff about Facebook ads, because then the next step is, once you're making sales, once you've got it set up, once it's a case of just sending traffic, then you want to use Facebook ads, because you know it's working, you know you're making sales, and then you can automate the whole thing. And yes, you're paying for the traffic, but you know it converts. And that's how you make money with Clickbank properly, or any other product. Okay, I've done this for like 15 years. I've used Clickbank for well over 10 years, closer to 12-13 years, being a top premier vendor on Clickbank, over 50 Clickbank products, hundreds of Clickbank affiliate offers, and the process is exactly the same. Now, let me just say, that's very, very simple. You can then start getting fancy once you're using paid ads, once you're split testing, once you've got that main funnel down and you're making sales, then you can add to it. Okay, and it doesn't have to just be a 5-day course. You could add 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days, more information, more free stuff. And really, you could do special offers, you can do special discounts, and start getting fancy. I recommend just following this video, getting those tools in place and learning how to build a simple funnel that will bring you money in first. And then you can get onto the good stuff, like the automation through Facebook ads, and also doing more advanced things with your funnel. Best advice, I know this video has gone on a bit longer than I intended, but my best advice is this: keep it simple. If you just need to make sales, the reason people buy things are this: to solve problems. You just need to solve problems. Look at the niche that you're in, look at the main problem areas, what problems are they trying to solve, and look at some of those problems that you can solve for them now for free, and make the product an extension of that. Okay? So I hope that makes sense. I'll do some more on the finer points that I've mentioned, but I'd love to have you with us in Project Emergency Cash. It's going down soon. Just the price is going up. That's all that's happening. Okay, I'm going to sell it myself on Facebook ads, and the way I'm actually selling this course on Facebook ads is exactly the way I've just outlaid to you, using Drip, giving away good value like this. I hope you got value from this video, giving away really good stuff. It doesn't have to be perfect. I've never found it has to be perfect in terms of your videos and so on, and how you speak and grammatically correct. That doesn't matter. All that matters is whether someone feels that they got value from you. I hope you got value from this video. If you want to join us, check out the link below on YouTube in the description. If you're on Facebook, I'll put the link in the comments and in the box, and I'll hopefully see you inside. Come and see all this good stuff and get going with it. Cheers for watching, guys. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.